Got a bad shoulder from back when I worked in corrections. I had both shoulders ripped out of socket, so every once in a while it just bothers me. But that's okay. I mean, it's something you adapt to. All right, let's step back here and take a look. Yeah, I think we take a little darker wash and put over that, sink that back down to where it's not as light as this. We're going to put a darker wash on the bottom part, but we're getting there. Now I need to find an even finer brush. This is number 5 brush. It's a round. My eyeglasses are deciding if they want to have a mind of their own here. They're beginning to wander down my nose. Hmm. Shoulder pain, shoulder pain. Let me get a little black into this mix. Darken it just a little bit. I want some darker darks into this wood grain. If you notice when I'm painting, I'm not pushing hard on this brush. Used to be when I was younger, I would push down and think I had to use all the bristles on the brush. No, you're basically, if you want to make a broader stroke, you can turn it down to where you get most of the bristles. But in finer points of painting, you're only going to use the tip of the brush. Because I can get some pretty thin lines out of this round, or I can push down further and get a broader stroke out of it. But it's pretty simple. Let's put some of this on the top side because there's going to be spots where we're not going to see everything here. When you paint wood grain, just think about what wood looks like and use your imagination on some of this stuff. God gave you the best imagination in the world, so you might as well utilize it for your creative process. So just get in there and create. I mean, we've got tons and tons of stuff that we've learned to do over the years. So we utilize it the best way we can. Oh, my shoulders. Do, 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 do. Well, somebody hit their panic button.